Hello everyone, welcome to another video on GitHub. This week we are starting a new segment called GitHub Essentials. We'll be dealing with the few things which are very basic things and are required for a GitHub repository. Okay, today's topic is going to be Markdown files. Markdown files are pretty common in GitHub. Remember those README MD files? Well, readme.md. Here, MD is actually standing for Markdown, and today we are going to learn how to write these Markdown files. So let's start the video. Okay, now I am on my desktop and I use VS Code to write these Markdown files because it also provides me with a preview while I am writing them, and you will be soon finding them out. It's very simple. Let me create a new file. Okay, now first of all let's save this file with a .md extension. It's on my desktop. Let's name it abcd. I got a couple of b. abcd.md. Okay, the next thing, if you are on VS Code, you can find out the preview clicking on this button. This will be opening a preview window on the right side, and here you can start typing. So the first thing we will be doing is the heading. For this is the heading 1, the biggest one. This is heading 2, second biggest, and so on and so forth. With 3 hashes and 4 hashes, you can keep on writing them. So these are the 4 headings. Next comes bold, italics and underline. Now, how to bold a text? We can do it by putting it within a couple of stars or asterisks, whatever you call. Next, italics, it's kept in an underscore and the word will be italic. Now, underline, Markdown doesn't provide for any underline. Doesn't provide for underline. What you can do is use these HTML tags to underline text. There you go. That's how you can do that. Okay, now we are done with this one. Next thing what we can do is let's see what we can do. Okay, let's make a table. Let's say column 1, then put this pipe sign, then column 2. The next thing is very important. This dash and pipe is very important to make the table headings. Next, row 1 pipe, row 2, wait a second, let's make it row 1a and make it row 1b. I'll say 1b. Okay, 1b. Next, row 2a, again a pipe, row 2b. Now on the other side, as you can see that the table is being created. Okay, so that's how you can create a table on Markdown files. Okay. Mm, the next thing is I want to put this picture. Let me show you the picture first. Okay, this is the picture which I want to insert in a Markdown file. And now how we can do that? Well, it's pretty easy. The first thing you need to do is start with an exclamation, open and close third brackets, and then the name of the file. So it's manu.webp. Okay, now as you can see on the preview, the picture has come. That's how you can insert an image on a Markdown file. The next thing we are going to do is put a file, a file hyperlinked. Wait a second, let's say my GitHub profile. Let's put a general hyperlink first, then we will coming to the file hyperlink. Let me copy this link. Copy, it's a link to my GitHub repository, GitHub account or GitHub profile, whatever you say. Okay, now this is the link over here. Yes, I want to open it, and it's opening on a new tab. Okay, that's how you can put a link, hyperlink or whatever you call it. Next, a hyperlink to another file. So link to another file. Whatever you are writing within this third brackets gets is visible in the uh, Markdown, and whenever you click on that text, you go to that certain file or location. Okay, now I am going to do this the file.txt. Okay, we are going to jump onto this the file.txt file. Let me click on this one, and there you go, it is opened over here. All right, so that was okay. Now next, okay, now we can do a bit of bullets. Let me clear out this one. Just a second. Yeah, this is one way you can insert bullet by using one single dash. Remember to use a space always, otherwise you won't be finding them. Or we can also use an asterisk, single asterisk, to write a bullet, to write texts in a bullet form. You will be seeing the preview in a second. There you go. That's the preview. So these are the few basic things which you need to know before writing a readme MD. I think these few things will be very much helpful in writing a readme file or or general markdown files in GitHub. I hope you have learned something from today's lesson or video, whatever you call it. And thank you. We'll be seeing you soon.